For the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed. So God is going to give everybody a new body, all pains. That's why he said all pains will be no more, no more tears. Everything that this natural body goes through, you won't go through again. But the pains you have gone through will become a reward for you. Everything you have suffered for Christ will become a reward. So tell your friend, don't complain when you are suffering for Christ. Christians that want pechepe life may not get any reward. What have you been through because you are serving Jesus? It's going to be the golden designs in your next garment. So we understand that Jesus will transport all the saints from the earth without his feet touching the ground. John 14:3, quickly. John 14:3. John 14. You have to understand what I'm teaching you. You got to understand it. If you see anybody living how he doesn't know this message, you can't know it and live anyhow. It's not possible. Jesus said, if I go, I will prepare a place for you and I will come again. He's always using that word again. And receive you unto myself, that where I am, there ye may be also. 1 Thessalonians 4:17 says that. 1 Thessalonians 4:17. Go to 1 Thessalonians 4:17. 1 Thessalonians 4:17. Dead, we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with him in the cloud to meet the Lord in the air. So Jesus will come, but his feet will not touch the ground. So all believers who are ready, living holy and working for the kingdom, will be gone. But unfortunately, some believers will be left behind. Why? Because they were not ready. They will become the preachers of those days. All half-hearted bojo believers will suddenly be on fire. But the unbelievers will now ask them, what is happening? And they will now remember this message I preached to them and begin to explain it to them. But you see, it's going to be too late, because immediately after the rapture, the man of wickedness will be revealed. The Antichrist will be revealed. So immediately after the rapture begins the tribulation period. So I want us to watch this little video and see if